Welcome to my channel.
Introducing GPT Mantra, your ultimate digital marketing ally. Is it true that you are a web advertiser hoping to take your efficiency and business scaling to a higher level? Have you tried using ChatGPT but felt like you're missing out on its true potential? Look no further. Allow me, as a market research specialist, to reveal the secret to achieving extraordinary results with ChatGPT. GPT Mantra. About the product. GPT Mantra is the ultimate AI shortcut designed to automate your digital marketing activities for unparalleled client acquisition, revenue growth, and customer engagement. With a massive collection of over 7,000 plus AI prompts, or mantras, at your fingertips, you'll have everything you need to build a high-converting marketing funnel, create compelling content, and manage your business tasks effortlessly. Gone are the days of vague and short prompts. GPT Mantra unleashes the full power of ChatGPT to get you the results you desire. About the vendor/author. Rest assured that GPT Mantra is the brainchild of an expert in the AI content realm. The vendor's extensive knowledge and hands-on experience with ChatGPT have culminated in this groundbreaking product. You can trust their expertise to guide you towards unprecedented success in your digital marketing endeavors. What are the features? GPT Mantra boasts an array of exceptional features that make it stand out from ordinary prompts. With access to over 7,000 plus proven AI prompts, covering every aspect of digital marketing, you'll effortlessly craft persuasive sales and landing pages, captivating lead generation content, and engaging email and social media marketing strategies. These prompts empower ChatGPT to deliver top-tier output, giving you the competitive edge and captivating your target audience like never before. What can be done with this product? The possibilities with the GPT Mantra are boundless. Whether you're a computerized item vendor, content maker, publicist, or web-based business proprietor, this item is your definitive showcasing partner. It streamlines your content creation process, saving precious time and effort while generating extraordinary marketing results. Say goodbye to uncertainty and embrace ChatGPT's full potential. Who is this product perfect for? The GPT Mantra is tailor-made for you to experience its potential risk-free. Final opinion. In conclusion, GPT Mantra is your key to unlocking ChatGPT's true potential and taking your digital marketing to new heights. With its comprehensive collection of AI prompts, you'll save time, effort, and money while witnessing a dramatic improvement in your marketing campaigns. Don't miss out on this limited time offer. Get the commercial and AMP selling license today. Embrace GPT Mantra as your ultimate marketing ally and witness a transformative change in your online business.